Lamphang Iingdorbar thawan ke Jylla uba medba lingdo ula penpawi jingso kindet di Jingkhyllem utunum leni udum jong Iingdorbar thawan badang ya hak jigshna hamau diang hak shiteng senya jong ka arpuar tari jembang arja arpuar hak jing ikren bergilat pathai Khubor mta kasngi uba medba ulong pakat kum ke jingong no nong drodor leni arkitek la pindikna bu utunum onam khi wat ladawan ujumai henrei kumba kalong kamshim lajia satya kumta hak jo Khubor Lamphang ulong bak Jingkhyllem utunum kala bande namar ke jing bakla hak jing drol ni ke design bat ka wepat namar baladon ke jing bakla hak rukom shna ulong ru badai bandon ke jing tokit ke balayut halor kani ke jingja shushu uba medba ula pentip ru bu un salit Jurip ya kani ke jakala shai ke singi baar ka arf sautri gujemang bat Hadien kani un sa shong jing yalang bat ka high powered committee hak ba on sa don lang kinonga jing mun na Delhi hak ba kinsa ikren sani ba halor kani ke kam.
The dome portion of the newly constructed assembly building has collapsed on Sunday morning at 12:30, and I'm very upset and very disappointed and very what to say, it's just a big blow on my mind, and I never expected that this kind of incident has taken place. And I was told, and there's so many photographs and all, that the entire dome portion has slid down from the top, and it has hit the main mandap floor, where it has gone beyond that also, right up to the ground floor. Now there are two things which I would like to mention here, as far as my understanding is concerned, that there are two reasons. Either it may be designing errors or construction errors. These are the two factors which I feel. Okay. But however, I have decided that I have spoken to the Chief Minister, and I called him. He had called me this morning. I had discussed with him about this, and I had requested him to be there on the site tomorrow for a physical inspection to see what exactly the damage was and to what extent the damage has taken place. And the second part, I have called the engineers today, and along with the consultant from Delhi, along with the contractors, they've been trying to explain to me to some extent, and though I was not satisfied, because from their end also, it appears that a lot of debris have been accumulated in the central hall, where the dome portion fell. So it's they will not be able to tell us right now what went wrong to it. There may be some sort of assumptions, okay, but talking in terms of assumption will be wrong as far as anything is concerned. You can't just assume or presume someone that is like this or like that, as like what appeared in the social media. So many kind of negative things which has come out, which is really very unpleasant for me. But anyway, that's part of the thing that we want to do. I cannot stop that. But deep inside, I was very, very disappointed. And tomorrow, we will go to the site and see physically what went wrong to it. And thereafter, we will have a meeting of the High Power Committee. And I called the main consultant, guy from Delhi, has just landed today because of the delay of flight, and he will be joining us tomorrow to assess the damage and the reasons of the dome portion which fell down. So as of now, that is what I would like to convey, that personally I feel that there has to be an independent inquiry which will know the root cause of this collapse. And second part of it is that there has to be a third party audit team, okay, which will be constituted to ensure that they do the audit thoroughly, that both the wings which were not damaged at all, whether those also have been affected or not.